Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Jim. At ito na nga post ni John Pinote. So, hanggang 2 a.m. daw sila nag-pack up sa Lukban, Quezon. Ayan na nga. Hindi natin alam kung ano to. At ito na nga ay pinost naman ni Barbie kahapon. So, mukhang ito ay nagkapi na naman si Barbie Fortesa habang nag-shooting sa Lukban. Next naman ay post ni John sa kanyang IG stories, nakasulat na Making Magic Today. Ano yung ginawa nila ni Barbie? Next ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa Twitter or tweet ni Barbie Fortesa, sabi, watching that kind of love again today. At meron ng exclamation point. At nirepost nga to ni David Licauco. At yun pala, ay nagpa-black screening si June Lally ng That Kind of Love. Thank you, Sir June. Simple but pretty si Barbie dito. Grabe, ang puti, no? And next naman ay post ni David Licauco, so pulang araw. Sabi, para lahat pantay-pantay, laban lang. At another post from David sa kanyang IG story, para sa bayan, laban lang, pulang araw on Netflix. At next ay post ng Philippine Star, netizens were thrilled to witness two of the hottest Pinoy love teams interact. So Barda and Mato for business proposal pitch about adaptation, David Licauco reacts to fans' requests. At may article din ang Cosmopolitan about this. So, internet thinks Barda and Maton would be perfect for a business proposal remake. And from Philippine Star, sabi nga in an exclusive interview with Pep during a meet and greet event with his fans last Sunday, Kapuso actor David Licauco shared reaction to their fans' request. David initially expressed gratitude to his fans considering him for the remake and personally wishes that such a project would push through. I hope, diba? The pambansang Ginoo told Pep. Napakaganda nun kasi, Licauco added. Marami na agad na tao ang nag-aabang. So hopefully magawa yun. Let's see. And next is a post by Keymans. Just like David and Barbie, everyone deserves an elegant whitening skincare regimen. With our advanced Tri Bright technology, the Keymans Max White Beauty Bar is designed to extensively lighten your complexion in just a few weeks. Swipe left to discover the transformative power. Grabe, ang cute nitong picture na to, no? Bagay na bagay talaga. And next up, Barbie Fortesa explores the world of Bodo in Pulang Araw. Now, post ng Barbie Natics, so That Kind of Love now on its second week. Swoon over Adam and Bella's love story in the following NCR cinemas. July 19, Gateway, Sunstar, SM North, EDSA, SM Edmond, Fisher Mall, QZ, and SM Fair. So, tignan ko nga guys yung mga schedule niya sa app at hanggang Sunday siya guys. So, okay, nood na yung mga hindi pa nakapanood at kung gusto nyo ulitin, di ba? Sulit naman. At next sa post ni Cordelia, Mr. and Mrs. Licauco and their son was at the backstage of its showtime. Di sana. In fairness, asya talaga ni Argus pagkasama niya si Barbie at si David, no? Parang one big happy family na. Sana. Kung nakakainis. Si Barbie kasi ayaw niya. Ay, nako. Ewan ko ba sa'yo, Barb? Anyway, next naman, post ni Miss Isabel Bulutao, Choose Your Fighter, David Licauco versus Anthony Jennings, Bida-Bida sa Netflix. Ay, ano nga. So, kung 5'11 si David, 6'footer pala si Anthony Jennings, no? Matangkal. No, nice. And, next, ito naman yung some of the deleted scenes from the movie That Kind of Love. At makikita na nga dito na si Barbie ay exhausted from work at na nautulog sa office at pinagtimpla siya ng kape ni David Licauco sa kanilang espresso machine. At yun na lang, matagal niyang tinignan si Barbie. Grabe. Maganda sana yun kung malapitan mo. Ay, at captioning Miss L, the music playing is one of the songs I chose for the film TKL. One of the best things we do during film shootings is that we play music to set the mood of for certain scenes. This one in particular may seem simple, but it was heartbroken when we had to remove it from the film's final cut. That Kind of Love deleted scene 1 of 2. Listen to the song. Ayun na nga, sobrang ganda nito sa picture eh. Ang ganda, at ang ganda-ganda ni Barbie kaya dyan sa ano lang yun. Ito sa suot niya. At yan, dumating na nga si Adi Cotoco. At mukhang tinawag na si Adam. At umalis si Adi ulit. At yan, umalis na rin si David. So sabi ni Elle, I get so particular with the songs I choose for my films, and this one is so close to my heart. I hope you fall in love with it too. Sabi niya pa, this is a very important scene we had to let go of, but I'm happy to share it with you now. I know a lot would have so many thoughts after watching this. Please share them with me. Haha. At yun na nga, nagising na nga si Barbie, ginising ni Derek. At yun na nga. The beautiful Barbie Fortesa. At ayun, nakita niyo yung kape. Buti hindi niya nakatabig yung kape, no? Grabe. It would be a disaster. But anyway, you know. So mukhang sarap na sarap nga sa kape si Barbie Fortesa. So, di ba? Ayun. I still love it. At next naman ay post ni Tito Jack. So that's July 18 to 20. Philippine commercial vehicle show at SMX Convention Center. Ayun, more pictures of Tito Jack. At next naman ay picture ni James Lee running in my Velocity Elite 2 Under Armour. At tapos ni Tita Eden, 4 degrees Celsius, so malamig.
Hey guys, so today, come run 14K with me in Bangkok.
So yun na nga, very athletic tong pamilyang to, no? At yun na nga, ang nerdy cute na si James Licauco. Ayan, 4 kilometers and 5 kilometers. Ayan, binibilang-bilang niya at nag-video siya. At alam ko na pilayan siya dyan eh. Dyan yata nakuha niya yung spray niya. Kaya nakakas yung yung paa niya yung isang video na pinalabas ko ng isang araw. Nakakas yung paa niya, guys. Ayan.
She's been living on the highest shelf. Oh, and that come star. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. On the big
At next naman ay post ni Shy Guy kung saan inihiwalay ng pwesto si Barbie at saka si David. Oo, dapat si Sanya na lang yung sa gitna ni Alden at saka ni Dennis. Total siya naman yung love interest ng dalawa, no? Hindi pa rin yung nag-ayos nito. Hagigil. Ayun, no, tinuro nga ni Sanya. At medyo joke niya si David. Kasalanan ng organizer, no? Sarap sa pali. Sana mas maganda yung interaction nito, no? Nagbibiroan pa si Barbie at si David, no? Ayan. So, yun na nga si Rain Matienza. At nagpapaliwanag na yung si Mir yata yun. Ay, hindi pala si Mir. Ayun, nagtawanan si David. Tsaka si Sanya. Yun lang. So, nakagigil talaga yung organizer na yun. Bakit nila yung nga naman si David tsaka si Barb? Ayun, si David at tsaka si Sanya tuloy nag-uusap. Anyway, yun na nga, guys. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of our updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!